Hey guys, welcome back to the lounge. Got some new plants in, got everything moved around, freshened things up a little bit. Also changed the floor plan around with the furniture, a little bit more room down here. I like it a lot better. Today's video is going to focus on this right here. It's a little plywood brine shrimp hatchery that I built to go on top of the mini fridge. If you come in and look, this is where all the fish food and everything is at here. This is out of 3/4 inch plywood. If you look here, I'll show you what the measure. The dimensions are 18.5 wide by about 20 inches tall, and the shelf is set at about 10 inches. Everything is set up. I went with what I wanted for a style. I wanted the clean look with all the wires and airline tubes and everything hidden as much as possible. I got this air pump here off of eBay. The reason I like this one is because it's got an on-off switch right here that you can push. You don't have to reach around back or do anything with the switches. Same with the LED light here. I also got that one off of Amazon. The switch is right here. Just double back Velcro to the side. You can turn the light on and off. I like this style of a light here because when it comes time to get the brine shrimp out, you can just take this light, bring it down underneath. Now it's set at the bottom, so you can draw the shrimp down to the bottom and hatch them out. When you're done, you can just take this, set this right back up. This is a 2-inch hole that I drilled in the plywood here. Bottle just sits down into the hole. You got hooks on the back. Used airline tube and just tied knots. This is flexible in case you have different size bottles. Cut the hole in the top of the lid here. Run the airline tube through it. Got a little regulator to control the flow of the air coming in. Got the air stone in the bottom. Got the adapter on the bottom here that I bought from the CO2 bottle adapters, right down to the strainer knobs into the dish. Got the salt. Got 2 little screws here holding the strainers on here. Fits right on top of the fridge. This is all double back Velcroed onto the top here to keep it from moving. Just keeps everything nice and neat and clean into one little area. Next to it over here is something to think about too. I've got the size of each tank listed here, the date I did the water change, the percentage of the water I changed, and what the parts per million of the new water that I put in. And then with the brine shrimp, the date and time that it's going to be ready from the hatch, so I don't have to worry about when I did it. Also here on the top, just drilled some holes, stick the pipettes through, so you got the pipettes for draining them out. Keep everything all in one nice little area here. Just something nice to put right on top of the mini fridge. Doesn't take up a lot of room, and I like the nice clean look about it. I'm big on trying to hide all the cords and keep everything organized too. So in the filter room here, I also got a little spigot right here that you can fill the brine shrimp bottle up. Stick it right back over here and you're ready to go. I'll have another video coming out here soon about how I built all the filtration in here and give you an overview of all the filters and how I cycle everything and how I get all the water prepped and ready to transfer over to the tanks. But in case you guys are interested, this is just my little take on a hatchery build. Everybody does them a little bit different. There's a lot of videos out there. This is just the style that I did. In case you guys are interested, it's real easy to do. It took me about a half hour to make and paint, and very efficient and pretty easy to do. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you on the next one.